Today, Gerard Harting, I'm going to show you how to approve recognition. Okay, first and foremost, when you log in, you go to Talent Management in HS Simplified, and then you look at Recognition Approvals. That recognition approvals, that's all the people that report to you, and you must now, you can do it either in bulk, say you must select a number of people, then you say approve selected items, or reject selected items. But also important is, let's say you want to edit a recognition. So you want to see what was written here, so you can decide, okay, I want to edit it a bit. Maybe the language is not so well, or maybe it's not so professional, whatever. So I can say, and change not to offend or to give the wrong message. So that is what user manager do when you approve it. So once you approve it, once I say save, which I'm not going to do, it will then take it as the new motivation. And that's that. And once you say approved, approve selected items, it will then approve it, and then it will disappear from the menu. And that's as simple as that. Thank you.